Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm making resin hair clips with real dried flower and also ocean shaped hair clips. For making each two hair clips you need about 20 gram resin mixing with 6 gram hardener. I mixed resin for 8 hair clips and divided them into different amounts to mix with colors. The colors I use are red, white and blue paste color and blue ink and powder color. For ocean part, I use both ink and powder blue to make semi-transparent blue. For flower bases, I first make more amount of white and divide it to 3 parts. One added a little red, second some blue and other left white. Colors are ready now and we have light pink, light blue, blue, white and clear resin. For making beach, you can use any kind of stone and sand that you have and designing with shells and pearls. I put them in a mold and pour the clear resin on the beach side and blue one to the other side. Try to blue color not go to the beach part. For making real flower hair clips, in this level we just make the base. Metal clips won't appear on the top. So we don't fill the mold with resin because we need a space for second layer. One of the base is blue and white, another is pink. Let it 24 hours left. Oceans are done now, but I prefer to add one more layer resin to make it more shiny and more clear, but it's optional. And it's time to add second layer of resin and design with flower. I dried some of this flower by myself and I bought another one. I think there is so dried flower shops in every country. You can use any kind of flower you have, or you can pick from the gardens and dry them or color them and use them for these artworks. Designing flowers completely depend on what you want. Feel free and enjoy putting different colored flowers together. I want to say some tips about using dry flower in resin. Some kind of flowers like violet need to primering before putting in resin for 2 reasons. One is not to make bubbles in resin and other one is to don't change color after a while. You can use acrylic or oil varnish, wood glue, PVA glue, hairspray and varnish spray for primering flowers. If you want to color the flower, do it before primering them, and some kind of paints doesn't need to primer after, like acrylic colors. So after curing this layer of resin for at least 10 hours, it's time to pour another layer to cover all the flowers. Let it dry for 24 hours. And then it's the molding part. And now it's the best part, sanding. I hate this. And it's because I want to make the surface of hair clips convex. So I should sand first and then pour one final layer of resin. It makes it so shiny and so clear and so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.